The LG V20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys how to fix your audio on Windows 10. So if you guys are having issues with your audio on Windows 10, this tutorial may help you out. It definitely helped me out. So I have already done this on my laptop already, but if you guys have never tried this out before, I suggest you guys try this out and see if it works for you, because it definitely worked for me, and my volume is a lot better now after doing this tutorial. If you guys are having issues with audio on Windows 10, you're not alone. A lot of people are having issues with audio on Windows 10. I don't know why that is. I don't know if people are accidentally uninstalling the audio drivers of Windows 10 or whatever, but that's what I accidentally did when I had to reset my laptop. And so if you had your volume at like 100% or whatever, the volume would sound low even though the volume was at 100% max. It would still sound low for some reason, and I'm not sure why that was. But this tutorial hopefully will help you out. It definitely helped me out a lot. I had to Google search this for this to work for me. It worked for me, and I've tried it on YouTube, works fine. Tried it on Pandora Radio, works fine. So if you guys have never tried this out before, I suggest you guys give it a try and see what happens. And hopefully it will help you guys out. Alright. So what you guys want to do is go to your taskbar, go down to your volume right here on the bottom right, and you guys can see right there my volume is at 100%. And what you guys want to do is right click on the volume, right click, go to Playback devices right here. Then you'll get this screen pop up right here, and you guys want to click on speakers. Click on this right here, and then you guys will get this window. Go to Enhancements right here, the third one. Click on Enhancements, and then you guys will see all these options right here. And I want you guys to scroll all the way down till you see Loudness Equalization. Click on Loudness right here, which mine is already checked. And once you guys to click Loudness, hit OK, and hit OK again, and it will and hopefully it will help your volume. And hopefully if you have it at 100% on your laptop or PC, hopefully it will be loud, not low. Alright, so if you guys want to try this out, it's real easy to do. Go to your volume, right click, click on Playback devices, click on speakers, go to Enhancements, scroll down till you see Loudness Equalization, click on that, click OK 2 times, and then it should work for you. It worked for me. So hopefully this will work for you guys if you guys had not tried it out. And hopefully this will fix your audio on Windows 10 or whatever Windows operating system you might have. So hopefully this will work for you, because it worked for me. So I figured I'd share it with you guys out there, and hopefully it worked for you. Let me know if you had audio issues on Windows 10 or whatever, and let me know if you guys tried this out, this tutorial, and let me know if it fixed your audio issues. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.